Welcome to today's video where we are going to tackle an interesting issue related to Lambda's auto arguments in C++. The problem we are facing revolves around the selection of an incorrect method due to the auto arguments in Lambdas. This issue arises when trying to call a method with Lambda functions that have different const qualifiers on the arguments. It's a common problem that can lead to unexpected compilation errors in your code. Now let's delve into the solution that has been proposed to address this problem. The key idea is to emulate deducing this in C++ by introducing a new concept called ValidSignature. By using this concept, we can constrain the template parameter of the getBar method to ensure that the correct overload is selected based on the constness of the object calling the method. With this approach, we can prevent a compiler from incorrectly selecting the const method when using lambdas with auto arguments, resolving the issue at hand. In summary, we have explored a clever solution to the problem of incorrect method selection in C++ due to Lambda's auto arguments. By leveraging concepts and carefully constraining template parameters, we can ensure that the correct method overload is chosen based on the constness of the object. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Remember, programming challenges may arise, but with the right approach, we can always find a solution. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!